On this episode, I use a hammer. A machine was used. And I show you how to fill a gap. Welcome to a welder's journey. On this episode, somebody had a little too much fun with this light box. The good one, the bad one. Let's not mess around. This truck needs to get on the road by 4 o'clock today. Let's get the torch and get right into it. Onto the damaged passenger side, I'm gonna remove it and make a whole new box. And I'm gonna turn it horizontally to give it a little more ground clearance. All I gotta say is props to McNeilus. They really weld this sucker in. That's my notes, and this is the metal shop. The shearing machine. Set the length you want to cut out, and just cut it out. Real simple. And this is the bending machine. You can bend it 45 degrees, 90 degrees, basically any degrees you want. You just gotta know the calculations. Back in the shop making two 4.5-inch holes so the light fits. Hold it, form it, tap it, and tack it in. Then weld the sucker on. This is the driver's side box. McNeilus did such a great job welding it in. When you cut it out, it's impossible not to damage it. So I'm patching the holes I made so I can fit them back on. This was already scraping and made a hole, so I'm gonna show you how I fix holes. It's super easy. Fill the hole up with welds, hammer all the bends you need to hammer, grind it down, it's ready for paint. Okay, it's almost 4 o'clock. Time to install these bad boys back on. Using my trusty bucket with my wood, setting up in place so I can tag them in. Here's the driver, just in time to test it out. I just painted it, installed the lights, and it's ready to go. This is the final product. Horizontally mounted lights, better ground clearance. This is the way it should have come from the factory. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.